private space explorers on Axiom Space's AX-1 mission says they were totally excessively occupied while on the International Space Station. So occupied, truth be told, it intruded on different space travelers on the ISS with them. A space news report distributed yesterday lets us know what Larry Connor, Mark Pathy, Michael Lopez Alegria and Aiton Stibbe pondered their outing to the ISS, on the grounds that the group went to a public interview to respond to media questions. The excursion was at first expected to require 8 days, however was reached out to 15 in light of weather patterns on Earth. The additional time was useful, Axiom's paying client said, however the team actually felt hurried. Our course of events was extremely forceful, particularly from the get-go in the mission, Lopez Alegria, who used to be a NASA space explorer and directed the Axiom mission, told Space News. The speed was frantic to start with. Albeit the confidential space explorers paid more than $50 million each for the outing, it was certainly a functioning getaway. A portion of the group's trials included testing self-gathering robot tech, working with foundational microorganisms and making multi-dimensional images with Microsoft HoloLens. Michael Suffredini, president and CEO of Axiom Space, said Axiom will better coordinate future missions what with different space travelers or as of now doing so no one is upset. Suffredini needs future trips to endure longer, as long as 60 days, as indicated by Space News. It's conceivable the organization's progressions could make missions less jam-pressed and lead to additional opportunity to pause and smell the nearby planet group's roses. I think we were so centered around exploration and effort in the initial 8 or 10 days on Circle that we wanted the additional opportunity to finish the experience, having opportunity and willpower to peer through the window, to connect with loved ones, to simply partake in the sensation, Lopez Alegria told the Power Source. It's not difficult to fail to remember that space explorers accomplish genuine work and don't simply drift around for entertainment only. Many are entrusted with significant logical examination on their missions. They may not precisely be punching a period clock, yet it appears to be a sound balance between fun and serious activities as significant in any event, when the workplace isn't on Earth.